Why decent working condition matter?
Every worker, regardless of their job or position, has the right to decent working conditions. But what does this mean, and why is it so important? Let's break it down.
Decent working conditions refer to environments where workers feel safe, respected, and valued. They include, first, safe and healthy workspaces. This means no worker should fear injury or illness while doing their job. Proper safety measures and equipment are essential. Second, fair wages and benefits. Workers must be compensated fairly for their efforts, with wages that support a decent standard of living. This includes benefits like health insurance and paid leave. Third, reasonable working hours. Overworking leads to burnout and health problems. Regular breaks and time for rest are fundamental rights. Fourth, freedom from discrimination and harassment. Every worker deserves equal opportunities and a respectful environment free from bias or abuse.
Now, let's talk about why these conditions matter, not just for workers, but for society as a whole.
Health and well-being. Unsafe working conditions can lead to injuries, illnesses, or even fatalities. Ensuring safety measures protects lives and families. Productivity and innovation. When workers feel valued, they are more motivated, creative, and efficient. This benefits employers, customers, and economy. Social justice. Decent conditions promote equality by giving every worker, regardless of gender, race, or status, the chance to thrive. Ultimately, decent working conditions are about treating people with dignity and fairness. It's not just good workers, it's good for everyone.
Unfortunately, many workers still face unfair treatment, unsafe conditions, and exploitation, but change is possible.
Here's how we can help. Number 1, raise awareness. Talk about workers' rights with your family, friends, and community. Number 2, support policy changes. Advocate for laws that protect workers, ensure fair wages, and enforce safety standards. Number 3, hold employers accountable. Support companies that prioritize worker well-being and call out those that don't.
Decent working conditions aren't just a privilege, they're a basic human right. Together, we can create workplaces that uplift everyone, ensuring a brighter, more equitable future for all.
Let's stand together for the rights of workers everywhere. When we protect and prioritize decent working conditions, we create a better world for everyone. Thank you.